All right, man, here go another slight video, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. Got some Yeezys on, nothing too crazy, man, nothing too crazy. But anyway, oh wait, y'all see that, man? I don't know if y'all see that. It's picking up, man. Anyway, y'all been watching the past couple videos. Y'all see I did bring a ATV to the channel. It's at the shop right now. I did some of the stuff to it, and then I'm gonna do some other stuff, but you know, all that motor stuff, I'm not doing that. I'm not familiar with ATVs, but I will be. About to bring y'all this video, man. A couple people asked me to do this video a while ago. I never got around to it, but it's important that I do it now. So, don't know I got mid-muffler delete. Downtown, got that like 2 or 3 weeks after having the car. Now I was gonna just keep it mid muffler, and then when I was there I was gonna do straight pipe, but I changed my mind, so I did just get the mids. But I think I'm gonna go back and do the resonators. But before I do that, I want to give y'all a flyby video so y'all see what it sounds like. So if you trying to get a Hellcat or Hellcat Redeye, don't mind if it's the Redeye or the regular Hellcat, the mid delete's gonna sound the same on both of those. So about to give y'all a flyby. About to head down, you know what I'm saying, to Mexico to get these little passes in and show y'all what it sounds like. Merch is dropping. I'm gonna put this video up today or tomorrow. Merch is dropping within the next 2 weeks. So it's important to make sure you're following the car Instagram, because that's where it's gonna hit. Make sure you stay tuned for that, man. Limited amount, only coming out this one time. I will do more, but they're not gonna be the same. So definitely, if you try and get the first merch to hit the channel for the channel, definitely stay tuned to the car Instagram. Like I said, we'll hit the community post, but it's mainly gonna be on the car Instagram. So about to head out, man. Give y'all a quick little cold start, you know what I'm saying? So I did 3 passes in eco mode, 3 passes in track mode. I try to keep the speeds pretty much the same, like 40 to 50 on the first one, 50 to 60 on the second one, and like 75 plus on the last one, man. What you think? Was it loud?
Your downshift loud as fuck.
Yeah, that shit. Yeah. So I was downshifting when I got down there, just so y'all could hear that. But what do you think? Was it loud on the flybys?
Yeah, the whine a little louder.
Yeah, the whine louder. So man, that's pretty much it, man. I'm about to have them rev it 3 times in eco mode and then 3 times in track mode. Like I say, make sure y'all following the car page. Merch is dropping within like 1 or 2 weeks, and it's gonna hit the Instagram first, so make sure you're following that, man. But Resonated Elite is coming, so before I did that, I just want to put this video out. That shit loud, man. Now when I cut the resonators off, it's gonna be a little bit louder, not way too louder, because the sound really comes from the mids when you take those off. But that's pretty much it, man. Y'all stay tuned for the next video. Definitely got way more videos coming, man. All my flybys I pretty much had a different cameraman. This time I have my boy RJ right here, man. I'll put his information down below. He got a YouTube channel as well, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. Way more shit on the way.
Was on my grind, it was my time, I ain't think twice, I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Police storm at me, charges never stick. Fucking niggas up in Vegas, like pocket 96, 11 past 11.